Okay, so let's go explore this balcony. Oh wow, this is just absolutely huge. I absolutely love this. This is overlooking and I'm sorry, this is a patio, but it's overlooking the pool. And what's striking me is just how big this is. This is just huge. I'm going to count this out. I'm walking it. I'm on, let's say, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 steps. Look how massive this balcony is. It's amazing. So the balcony it's like iron. It's got some kind of thin metal here, and then bushes. So this would be good for. You could put 8 chairs here. You could your dog could be here, and it would hold the dog in for sure. So no problem there. And then you've got just some great views waiting for you. And we're going to explore those in videos just in a minute. So, wow, great patio. Absolutely love it. So now let's go explore the inside. So we're going to walk inside and let's go explore the bedroom. And so here's the bedroom. Okay, what's really striking me about this bedroom is, first of all, there's a lot of space on this wall. This has a desk. This is like a full desk. This is cool. So you could be working from there. This is a queen bed that's over there. And then over there is a table, end table. I think if this were a king bed, that would knock out that table, but you'd still have this room over here to use. So it's very, very nice. These walls are just, the tallness of how this is just creating a majestic feeling. So look at those beautiful curtains that are there. That's just gorgeous. So you've got these wall to ceiling is about 50% of glass. So you're getting a lot of light in there in 2 panes, about 50% of the wall. So good amount of space over there. Over here, you've got a great amount of space too. Look at that huge dresser. That's just monstrous. So monstrous dresser, and you could put a TV up there if you wanted to. They have that painting, and then, like I said, you just got a lot of space to work with. And then something unusual over here is actually the closet. It comes right off. It's usually more inside the bedroom, and this time they've gone a little imaginative and they've created the closet here. So the closet's here, and it's pretty. It's not too wide and deep back here. It's got the shelves, and it is tall, so it would give you a lot of space, especially going up and down. So that's that. Let's actually look inside of the bathroom, and here's the bathroom. The bathroom has a really pretty long tile in here. That long tile is really attractive. I just like the colors of it. And then you've got those brown cabinets that were in the kitchen. You've got the granite countertop. This is a different color, by the way. There's more colors than what's in the kitchen, more brown and some gray and other things. You've got the sink here, and then you've got this huge mirror, and then you've got lighting over there. You do have the nice size cabinet that's over here, and then take a look at this massive, wow. These shower cabinets, those are the tallest ones I think I've ever seen. That's just huge. And then inside here, I like this tile that's in here. This is really pretty. I like how it just goes, I mean, this, because it's so tall, it stops and then it turns into the red, just paint. And they've even created some more, there's some artwork up here to highlight it. Wow, this is really cool, and that tub is really big. Now, right outside there is washer and dryer. That's here. So, and then they put kind of an art box that's over here, and so that's the look and feel of the Arpeggio 1-bedroom model. Let's take just a quick recap. We're going to walk back through the bedroom just so you can see it closely. And again, you've got the closet right there. And then we're going to go outside and just see more of the living area and what you have to work with, and the hall and walls. And then again, you've got the kitchen with the 3. You can easily put 3 chairs there, and pretty kitchen. and everything is tall and nice. And that's it. So now let's go check out some amenities.